Once upon a time, there was a poor man who lived alone with his mother, and she made his life a misery. Every day, she would constantly criticize him, complain, nag him incessantly, until eventually he couldn't cope with it anymore. So he decided to go to the village chemist. And he said to the village chemist, he said, "Do you have any poison that I could give my mother and that wouldn't be traceable afterwards?" And the village chemist said, "Yes, actually, I have just the thing." And he produced this little bottle of sweet-smelling oil. And he said, "If you take this oil and you massage it into your mother's shoulders for half an hour every day for 4 weeks, then she will die and all your troubles will be solved." And that's what he did. Every evening, he gave his mother a relaxing half-hour shoulder massage. Of course, he made sure that he washed his hands carefully afterwards. But day after day, massage after massage, something very strange started to happen. His mother started to become more relaxed. She started to talk about her memories, about the man's childhood, and slowly he started to appreciate all the things that she had done for him, and their relationship started to improve as the bonding between them grew stronger and more positive. And after 3 weeks, he realized that he didn't want to kill his mother anymore. He went back to the chemist and said, "Can you please sell me the antidote for the poison that you sold me before?" And do you know what the chemist said? He said, "No, I won't sell you the antidote to the poison because there is no poison. The massage oil that I sold you is simply massage oil. You wanted to improve the situation with your mother, and that's what you've got." Now, the reason that I told you that story is to try and illustrate the power and importance of massage. Basic human touch is something that we all need. We have a natural, positive reaction when we receive non-threatening human contact. And this is something that in today's society often gets overlooked, the importance of natural, physical, non-threatening contact. So if you're looking for a new activity for homeschooling that your kids will love, that will get their attention and isn't anything to do with sitting down and studying from books, then why not teach them a little bit of simple massage? One of the most simple and useful massages that a person can learn to do is a hand massage. Now, I'm not going to show you right now, but if you look at the end of this video, there's a link which gives a lovely explanation. So, if you can learn how to give a simple hand massage to your kids or to anybody and teach them how to give a hand massage to you, then you can both benefit from the experience and become a little bit less stressed in these times of homeschooling and self-isolation. And if you do try it and find it successful, then please let me know. I'd love to hear about your stories. My name is Ian Gibbs. Thank you for watching.